You guys, Walmart Deals Week is here and there's so many awesome sales that you can shop on Walmart. And I've shared a video recently of some sales that you can shop and grab. So make sure you go check that video out. But I also been shopping for myself. I'm going to unbox these finds today. These are deals, so I will link them below. So if you guys want to grab these too, I will link them both in the description box and the comments. So definitely make sure to check there. You guys, make sure you do subscribe if you have not, turn the notification bell on, and drop a comment so the algorithm can know that you like my content. And don't forget that thumbs up too. Let's go ahead and unbox this together. I love unboxings. Do you guys like unboxings? So let's see what all I got. I'll actually just pop up the prices on screen for you guys because I'll have to go find out, the price of them and how much they were and all of that. And it's just going to slow me down. But I will pop up the price and the sale price as well on these so you can definitely shop them. Let's see what we got. All right. First, I got some of these Command spray bottle hangers that you can stick like on doors and walls and hang cleaning bottles, things like that. This is for the 2-pack. So this is another item I picked up. Let's open it. Okay, so this is a luggage bag. The reason why I liked it, one, is the material it's made out of. It's wipeable and it has a pocket on the back as well as a holder. So if you want to put this on your luggage, you can. But you guys, look at this. This is what really got my attention with this one. You see this little zipper at the bottom? I'm going to unzip it. So unzipping this, you have an expanding suitcase. So this can expand and get larger, which is awesome. So, like when you're traveling, sometimes you come home with more than what you take. You'd be like, I need more room in my suitcase, especially like for souvenirs and stuff. This is an expanding bag. So that's pretty cool that you get that extra space. Oh yeah, that's really cool that you get all of that extra space in there for storing things in. This do have little pockets on the side here. You got zipper pockets. This is like a waterproof zipper pocket on the inside, a little one in there. Then you have little holders on the side. Oh, look at here. On the inside, I don't think I knew this when I bought this. Oh, look, you get an extra little bag here. So this is an extra like toiletry bag. I don't even think I paid attention when I bought that you get this extra little piece. It got a zipper in here too. Oh yeah, this is awesome. So you get this extra toiletry bag with this too. So this will make a great Christmas gift idea too, but great from our travelers. Or if you need your overnight bag, you can even use this for a beach bag because I like this material it's made out of, like sand and stuff. Won't stick to it, but yeah, definitely worth checking out. Oh, I also got another Command hook. This is the 5-pound brown Command hook. I'm going to use this for a towel in my son's room, I believe. So this one is the large oil rub bronze metal hook. So it is metal, very sturdy. I also grabbed this Crayola Less Mess painting activity kit. This is going to be fun to play and open with the kiddos. This is paint that won't drip and won't spill, which is something I really like. I definitely like mess-free activities. This is all you need for 5 less mess activities. So that is pretty cool. 46 pieces included. You got washable paints, which is awesome. You got washable paint sticks. Oh, this is going to be fun to play with the kiddos. You got brushes, you got crayons, textured scrapers, stencils, stamps, a lot in this set. So yes, grabbing this as a Christmas gift too, or for your kiddos as activities to do at the home. Check out that deal too. What else I got? Oh, okay. So this is another kiddo activity set. I think this is the play mat that I got. Let's just open it. It is. So this is a mat that kids can play with on the floor, on the ground, on the table, and they can write on here. You see how big it is? So whether you have 1, 2, or 3 kiddos, everybody can get their own little section to write on, and they give you a set of markers and little stencils, just a lot of different accessory pieces. So you can use these markers to write on here. I think I gotta add water to this. For sure I do. Pull out, add water. Yes, I do gotta add water to these. I think this is really, really awesome for when you want your kiddos to be busy. And maybe if you need to cook dinner or something, you can have this on the floor on the dinner table and they can be drawing on here and you don't have to worry about them destroying your table because the markers are for the mat. This is another great deal, great Christmas present too, and an awesome screen-free activity for your kiddos. Also picked up this Joseph knife block. This is a 2-tier knife block and can hold up to 9 knives. I like the wood design. This is also marked down on sale as well. All right, also grab this, unbox it. This is a solar charger for your phones. Yep, you have your little solar panel there to do your charging. It can pick up light from any source. I've used solar chargers just from like the light on I'm filming in. It can charge from that too, which is nice. I also got some flashlights on here, and you have a compass on the back. You can't get enough solar chargers. I have a ton of solar chargers. I probably didn't need any more. This was on deal, but again, I put it up on screen. You guys can shop it. Clear down one box. All right, so of course I had to get some home edit items that was on sale. Y'all know Lift to Organize, and I love their organizers. So this one is the laundry set. You got a lot of different things in here. Let's see. So you get this window box here. You can store things in. You got a turntable, another window box, and then you get these narrow organizers too. And I really like these because you can also use these in like deep drawers. I love to use these in some of my deep drawers in my kitchens, my closets, and store things in because they're so nice and deep, and they're not like shallow like a lot of the other ones. Or you can use these in cabinets too. So with the handles, I love that quality of organizers. This is a great set. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in the set. So yeah, check it out. Putting the price up on screen for you. All right, let's see what's in this one. We got this. Oh, I've been looking forward to getting this. This is a 3-in-1 foldable charger. Look, you can put like your phone on here, your watch, and your earbuds to charge it, and it says it fast charge too. So I'm gonna test this out and see how it does. Fast charging, wireless, great deal too. Great Christmas present idea. Got a couple more Command. There's lots of good deals on Command. So if you guys like Command products, I love them because I can easily take them down and they don't damage my walls. So this one are the hanging Command strips for £5. So I again use these for everything. And with Christmas coming around, I decorate with these a lot. So if you guys need you some and want you some, stack up on these sales that they're having. Oh, what is this? Oh, I got some bath bombs. I love bath bombs. Y'all, I love my baths. If you don't know that, I do a lot of self-care videos. Oh, I can smell these through the box. Yes, I love when I can smell them through the box. That means they have really heavy scents, and I like my scents to be heavy so it fills my whole bathroom with that aroma. These are made by Art Naturals. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this set, and they named them Energize, Zen, Yoga, Wellness, Strength, and Cozy Night. Let me open it. Let me see. This is the set of 6 that you get, and again, they smell so yummy, so yummy. These are the size balls, so about medium to large size balls, which is nice. Great Christmas gift idea. Great for anybody that needs self-care, or if you're making them a self-care basket, throw some of these in there. I also picked up this dry erase light up board. This is a colorful design in both light and dark. So you can have the white board, you can also do the black board. So it's dual sided, which is awesome. You can create, erase, and create again. 3 ways to create and play: on black, on white, or with lights. Oh, that's cool. I can't wait to open this up and try this out with the kiddos. And another kid idea. So if you're shopping for toys, I got you. I'm shopping for them too. So this is another deal I came across. 2-in-1 Leap Top Touch. So it helps kids learn letters, numbers, pretend play, animals. My son has one similar to this one. So I got this one for my daughter. And it says 2 and up, but my little girl, she's about 1.5, and she plays with his. So she needed her own. But it's great for helping them learn their numbers, their sounds, all of that. It's like a little mini laptop. Let's get this one open. Oh, okay. Look at here. I got another. Look at this. Oh, my little girl is gonna love this. So this is the VTech Baby Discover Activity Cube. 9 months and older. Great for motor skills, sensory discovers. So this is pretty nice size. This could definitely keep her busy. Look at there. You got the book there. You got the numbers here. You get 75 songs and melodies, sounds and phrases. It teaches animals colors, nursery rhymes. It's a lot for them to do in the set. You got little turners there. Oh, look there. Oh, this might be going on the Christmas tree. Yeah, I think this is awesome. This is a great way to keep them busy. All right, you guys, there you have it. These are some of the deals that I picked up that was happening on Walmart. If you guys want to shop them, I, again, will link them and leave them down below in the video. So y'all know I love a good deal. I love to shop, but I love to save even more. So if you like that too, don't forget to follow along, subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, you may want to check out this video as well.